A check on the weather now. Good weather is expected in most parts of the country as no weather disturbance has been spotted in and around Philippine territory. The northeast monsoon will, however, bring light to moderate rains over eastern Luzon and some parts of the Visayas, particularly and also in Cagayan Valley, Aurora, Quezon, the Bicol region, and the Caraga region. Metro Manila and the rest of the country will be partly cloudy with isolated rains. A gale warning is up over the northern and eastern seaboards of Luzon and the eastern seaboard of the Visayas, so fishing boats are advised not to venture out to sea. Today's temperatures in the metro will range from 22 to 32 degrees Celsius. Here's what's happening on the road around the metro. We have on the line Vincent Lizada from the MMDA Metro base. Go ahead, Vincent.
Yes,